it was a little bit short to match up to the 96, and the 96 HO is probably one of our most popular full-range loudspeakers. So we made one that would fit it perfectly, and so it interlocks. And if you're at a festival and you're trying to, you cannot. Everything locks nice. It's not strapped down. It's basically going to stay there. In the EDM world, this is considered a DJ monitor. And I mean, really, seriously. And it's a Texas set of headphones because they got another one right beside it. So the guy's got his turntables, and there it is. And you know what they almost inevitably say? Could it be louder? Wow. And I'm like, well, stick around. Eventually, it's not going to be louder when you lose your hearing. But so here I'll play you a couple little tracks for fun. I think it's fascinating in some ways. I mean, we've had a few of our EDM buddies that were here that said, "Oh man, you didn't bring the big stuff." But well, this is pretty big. But again, when you think of this as a monitor rig, they're looking for crazy stuff. But our quest was low, little, loud. So this is 318s and a 96 HO.
Take a seat, right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive, I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over, I can't just let you go. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little.
Here's a song you've heard, no doubt, but you ain't heard it like this.
Everyone knows all about my direction, and in my heart somewhere I wanna go there. Still I don't go there. Everybody says say something, say something, say something, say something, say something, say something. I don't wanna get caught up in the rhythm of it, but I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself.
Okay, enough of that. We make lots of subs that go way lower and go way loud.